If I wanted to get in shape in 2025, I would completely remove the philosophy of cutting and bulking. That shit is fucking dead, guys. You need to realize that body recomposition is where the real gold is at. If you are currently skinny fat, under muscled, or even one of those kind of fat strong kind of guys, it's not just a big diet you need to go on or big bulk you need to go on. That's just so stupid. We both know the fucking flip side of both of these. You cut for too long, you feel weak, low in energy, your food's super low and it's horrible. Or if you're the skinny fat guy, you bulk for so long, you end up getting fucking fat and build a wee bit of muscle, but your physique's still fucked, but you're stuffing 500-600 grams of carbs down your throat, brain fog, low energy. Either way, you're still fucking yourself, right? I've been in this game a long time now, I know a thing or two. I want to tell you, body recomposition is where the gains are made. And this is just a subtle process, right? A subtle process of being very, very smart and meticulous with how you build and develop a world-class physique. So I want to just tell you exactly what I am doing to recomp my physique. And I this is my entire story. Guys, when I started weight training, I was skinny fat. I was 41 kilograms. 41 kilo. I was fucking wee, man. I was a small guy. I looked at other guys in the PE locker rooms at school that had six packs that were lean. And I was like, what the fuck, man? How these guys got that shit? I try to follow their diet, but they would eat shit when I'd have my wee sandwich and my grapes, and they'd be eating chippies at lunch. And I'd be like, what the fuck, man? I can't. If I ate that, I would just get softer and fatter. Guess what? I had to start at a really fucking rock bottom kind of place, the lowest of the low. And year after year after year, 10 plus years I've been training, 10 plus years I've been doing this stuff. And I'm now 81 kilo, 9% body fat, lean year round, getting stronger and fitter than ever. Between then and here, what the fuck do you think's happened? I've only ever been on one bulk properly, and that's when I was 18 and didn't know any better. When I just went on a YOLO bulk and ate and ate and ate and ate and ate, McDonald's, burgers, big mass gainer protein shakes. Felt horrible. But I've been on many, many cuts. And again, felt horrible, lost my energy, tanked my testosterone, got shredded, yes. But see now, over the last probably 2 years, I've managed to maintain 9% body fat year round and add 5 kilos of muscle naturally with little to no strain or stress. It's been very, very simple. And I'm actually eating less than a lot of people would normally eat to even build muscle. But my energy is so far more maintained. Testosterone's up at 900 nanograms per deciliter, which is incredible for a natural athlete. I run every day, I lift every day, and I'm just dialed the fuck in. So I want to teach you how to avoid the cut and bulk pendulum of death, right? I want you to look at your physique openly and honestly right now. Get fucking in your pants, bro, and look at yourself in the mirror. Take a photo of yourself and be like, right, what needs to grow? Let's say it's about the quads, the back, the arms. Maybe it's every fucking muscle that needs to grow. Because so many people, I just want bigger chest, bigger arms. Bullshit. You want a bigger, better looking physique overall, don't you? You want to look at your physique from head to toe, analyze it all. Right? Then you got to picture level 10 self. What does it look like when you've achieved exactly what you want to look like? Because I get super granular. I'm now starting to look exactly how I want it to look, which is blowing my mind. When I said that, I go 10 years ago. Right? I came through a lot of trials and tribulations to tell you that, bro. But who do you want to be? Think about who you want to fucking be. Is he overly bulked? Is he super shredded? Does he have that lean athletic physique that everyone dreams about? Let's say it is the lean athletic physique that everyone dreams about. Let's say it's that. Get clear on that. What kind of level of body fat does he have? What kind of abs does he have? What kind of arms does he have? What kind of legs does he have? Fix your mind to that. Then you want to think, right? You want to close your eyes for a little fucking second, right? And think, how does that guy eat? And guess what will happen? The world will tell you how he eats. You'll get a download. A universal download from above. If you're aligned with that outcome, for sure. Then it's maybe like, yeah, he eats some sourdough in the morning with some fruit and 3 eggs. And then he has a post-workout protein shake with fruit. And he has a steak in the afternoon with salad. And he has a chicken and rice bowl in the evening. And then finishes the day with Greek yogurt and peanut butter and some berries and some oats. Okay, I'm going to start eating that way. Just start eating that way then. and then dial in your macros. Track what that meal was. Track exactly what that meal was, because health comes first. You got to nourish your body from a health first system. So once you know what you're eating, track it, measure it, weigh it all out, see what the grams were and what macros they gave you. Cool. Maybe protein sitting about 230, fats at 90, carbs only sitting at 270. Okay, I'm going to run that for 7 days, see what happens. Maybe you look a bit fuller, a bit tighter. Cool. I'm going to hold steady with this for the time being. Training wise comes in now. Do you train like a bodybuilder? Do you train like a CrossFitter? Do you train like this or that or all these other things? No, you probably just train like a lean athletic guy would. A little bit of body composition training, physique development, bodybuilding stuff, a little bit of conditioning, probably some road running, some cycling, a little mixed bag, some fun shit. He masters the basics, the push-ups, the squats, the deadlifts, the chins, overhead presses, cleans, dips. He masters them. He gets so good at the basics, done at a very high level, and he builds a functional physique first, strength, strong, and now he's hitting his macros bang on with this meal plan he made. He's getting into the flow of mastering the basics in the gym. Cool. And over time now, he's got the functional mobility, the strength on point. What you tend to do from there is reverse engineer what works well. Okay, now that I've got this more of a baseline physique, I'm operating like an athlete, macros are on point, training's getting into a groove, basics are locked. Where am I at? Take another snapshot. How's your physique looking? Okay, I've not needed to change food, but I've lost fat and I've built muscle. Great. Let's recomp it now. This is when we tap into physique development. You do 3 months, hardcore physique development, bodybuilding stuff. Cables, isometrics, lengthening partials, machine work, dumbbell, barbell work. Develop the physique with volume. 1 or 2 warm-up sets, 2 to 3 working sets of 6 to 14 reps, hard and fucking heavy, hitting failure on everything. 3 months you spend doing that. Once you've done 3 months of that with the current meal plan you've been doing, you look at your meal plan for those 3 months and you take off probably 25% of the fat. You take the fat down to maybe 40 grams, keep the protein where it is, and then you push the carbs up to 350 to 400 based upon what you removed from your fats, those calories left over, divide them by 4, add them onto your carbs, boom. Then from there, you run that play for those 3 months, those 90 days, and recomp your entire physique. You rip off all the fat, build a bucket load of muscle, and you start hitting your daily habits of 10k steps a day minimum, right? You get yourself to a point where the physique's looking full, lean, dry. This is great. Then you do another 3 months athletic performance training. You start adding 2 road runs a week and you lower your training volume from 6 days in the gym with a push-pull legs workout to 4 days upper lower with 2 runs. You start focusing on strength building, squats, compound deadlifts, bench presses, 5Ks, 10Ks, 15Ks, 20Ks. You start pushing differently. You elevate fats back up, elevate protein higher, take carbs to about 300, and you push your body in a different element for it to change again, for the hormones to come back in, for you to drop a little bit more kind of girth and fluff off your frame. You run that for 3 months. That's you 6 months transformation bagged, boom, new set point. Guess what you do from there? You rinse and repeat, and you do that for the rest of your fucking life. I've been doing that for 2 years, guys. Habits are locked in. Do burpees every morning. I run every day. I train push-pull legs 6 days a week, 1 rest day per week. The diet I pretty much explains exactly why I eat every single day. It works really fucking well for me. It's simple, trackable, scalable. I eat right now 2,100 calories. My weight maintains at that. I don't feel hungry. I don't feel full. I feel perfect. Cognitive function through the roof. Testosterone through the roof. It's where it's at. No cuts and bulks. Takes time to get there, but tell you what, follow what I just told you to follow, and you'll make a lot of progress. Guys, see you in the next one. Rate it, comment, subscribe, do what you need to do. See you on the Instagram. Follow the daily habits. Let's fucking go.